Heart diseases are increasing rapidly, and most people are looking for natural ways of cleaning their arteries and also reversing the plaque buildup in their arteries. So today I'm sharing with you this 1 teaspoon natural remedy that is going to help improve your heart health all while you are sleeping without any side effects of any medications. So stay till the end because you want to know exactly how to make this 1 teaspoon remedy and what is the best way of using it so it really works in improving your heart health. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. Now before we move forward, I want to put a disclaimer out here. This video or this remedy doesn't replace your medication. So if you are on any medications, please consult your local doctor before making any changes to them. That being said, we have seen a recent increase in heart diseases. Several young people are being diagnosed with sudden cardiac arrest, either males or females, and they have been doing all the right things to improving their health. So what is exactly going on in their heart or in their body which is leading to all this heart disease? So this is where let's first understand why heart disease is happening and why clogging of these arteries are happening, and then this particular remedy will make sense to you and why it will help you in improving your arteries. Now most people have been told the real reason of clogging of arteries is because of this cholesterol. Well, the new research shows that it is not about the cholesterol, but the chronic inflammation inside your arterial tree and your heart, which is leading to the clogging of these arteries. So here's what happened. Because of our poor dietary choices or our poor lifestyle choices, and sometimes because of certain viral infections, our body's inflammation level increases. This inflammation in our body oxidizes the LDL part of cholesterol. This oxidized LDL then becomes sticky and starts making plaques all around your arteries. Now when you get your blood work, your cholesterol might be elevated or it might be normal, but until you know the levels of this oxidized LDL which is causing the plaques in your arteries, you do not know what is happening inside your heart. This oxidized LDL also start destroying the endothelial lining of your blood vessels. Ultimately, when this endothelial lining gets damaged, this is the place where this sticky oxidized LDL gets deposited more, and ultimately over the course of weeks to months it leads to clogging and plaque formation in your arteries. Now our body is a miracle machine, so it does have some natural arterial cleansing system in place. Our body will naturally release certain enzymes. This will try to remove this oxidized LDL from your arterial walls. Plus a molecule called nitric oxide is being produced by endothelial lining, which cause dilation of your blood vessels and help improving the blood flow too. But here's the catch. When your body's inflammation levels are high, your body is not able to produce enough of nitric oxide and these particular enzymes. So that's the reason these plaque buildup continues to happen. So to help unclog the arteries and clean up these plaques from your arteries, we need to work on reducing inflammation, improving nitric oxide, and also improving these enzymes so it can help improving the plaque buildup in your system. And this is exactly where this particular recipe will help you with that. So let me share with you the ingredients of this recipe and how they are going to be useful. Then I'm going to share with you how to make it and how to use it in the right way. The first ingredient over here are ground flax seeds. Now ground flax seeds are high in omega-3s as well as soluble fiber. Research shows that regular consumption of flax seeds help lowering the bad cholesterol, which is the LDL in your body. Plus it also lowers inflammation in your body. Plus the soluble fiber which is present in the flax seeds has shown in research studies to improve the vascular or arterial health of your body. The second ingredient over here is beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is high in nitrates, which gets converted to nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide is the molecule which helps in relaxation of your arteries, thereby improving the flow through those arteries. Clinical research studies have shown that beetroot juice can help improve your systolic blood pressure. So thereby, by normalizing your blood pressure, it safeguards your heart from further damage and also improves your vascular function. Plus another study in 2015 which was published in a journal called PLOS One showed that the beetroot juice actually protected your heart from the ischemia reperfusion injury. What that means is that the beetroot juice actually protected your heart tissue and also improved the functioning of your arterial as well as your blood vessels in your body. So that's the reason beetroot juice is important. The next ingredient over here is cinnamon powder. Clinical studies have shown that cinnamon helps in reducing total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol, and also triglycerides. And plus it also helps in reducing inflammation, specifically in your arterial and your cardiac tree. And plus cinnamon also helps in improving insulin sensitivity, thereby reducing the damage of sugar in your body. The next ingredient over here is lemon juice. Lemon juice is very high in antioxidant compounds, specifically vitamin C. Now these antioxidant compounds and vitamin C are very vital and play a very significant role in repairing the endothelial lining of your blood vessels. Remember, this endothelial lining is being damaged by the oxidized LDL. So by enhancing the repair of this endothelial lining, it significantly improves the blood flow through your arteries and also improves the plaque buildup in your system. So you see, all of these ingredients are working at the root cause of the problem. They are reducing inflammation in the body, they are reducing the oxidized LDL in your body and improving the HDL, which is your good cholesterol, and plus they are also responsible for repairing the endothelial lining, the damaged lining in your blood vessels. Now let me share with you how to exactly make this 1 teaspoon remedy that you consume before bedtime so that it works overnight in improving your heart health as well as your arterial health and clearing your arteries. So for that you need 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice, half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground flax seeds. You need a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon powder, and then as an option just for taste purposes you can use a drop of raw honey. Now you can mix all of these ingredients together and you can just consume this 1 teaspoon remedy directly, and you can gulp it down with a glass of water. If this is too strong for you, you can always mix this 1 teaspoon of remedy in a warm cup of water and you can drink it before your bedtime. The best time to drink it is 30 to 45 minutes before your bedtime. Do not drink it right at your bedtime because some of these ingredients might irritate your stomach and you might have acid reflux while you sleep. But if you take it 30 minutes before your bedtime, all of these ingredients are absorbed in your system and start doing their work. So today I've shared with you this special 1 teaspoon natural remedy that can improve your heart health, that can improve your blood pressure, that can help in unclogging arteries and also reduce your plaque buildup. But as I shared with you, this doesn't mean that you stop all of your medications. This is an addition to your medications, and also consult with your doctor before using this in case it does interact with any medication of yours. Plus, consistency is the key. You are not going to see an improvement in a day or two. This works over the course of several weeks. So make it as a part of your heart healthy routine at bedtime so you can improve your heart health. Plus also combine it with a healthy lifestyle, which is an anti-inflammatory diet with regular 20 to 30 minutes of exercise so you improve and reduce inflammation by all different angles. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.